In this video, we're going to look at why businesses need call analytics. Firstly, it's important to be able to identify busiest hours to make sure phones are adequately covered. Seeing when call volumes are high through hourly call activity enables a manager to ensure that appropriate numbers of agents are logged in and available during busy periods. Call response analysis will provide more depth, showing how calls are being answered during these times, including what percentage are being missed and how many are being picked up within the expected answer times. Adding call metrics like this to a personalised My Dashboard or wallboard allows a user to see the data in real time, with new calls automatically being added to the graph as they're being received. Missed calls can have a severe impact on customer satisfaction levels. It's vital to understand how many calls are being missed and, very importantly, are they being returned. Adding an up-to-the-minute list of unreturned missed calls to the dashboard helps the business to see which calls weren't answered and need to be returned, and will update automatically as they are called back. For a more detailed analysis, the missed calls report shows all unanswered calls, including the agent that missed the call, the time it was received, which DDI it came in on, and how long did the customer wait before hanging up. Unreturned missed calls goes a step further, showing only the missed calls that have not received a call back. Leverage call analytics to review resource and response levels in busy periods to see if enough team members are available at busy times, review how often calls overflow and how often callers hang up, understand how many calls are not answered and not subsequently called back, and gauge how long customers are prepared to wait for to be answered before hanging up. Call analytics also helps managers to see who has been busiest handling calls, with activity that can be tracked across incoming, outgoing, and internal calls. This data is displayed visually in the Insight wallboard and Standard wallboard, showing real-time summary for each agent and refreshing every few seconds to show their latest calls. The Extension Call Activity Report dives into the detail on each person, including whether their incoming calls were answered, transferred, bounced, or missed entirely. Adding tiles to My Dashboard helps managers to continually understand how team performance impacts customer experience. Managers can also quickly access business productivity dashboards to review performance by user, DDI, department, or team. Dashboards can also be published to a URL, allowing them to be viewed and utilised by members of staff that don't usually have access to the product. Powerful and extensive filtering throughout the application can be used to restrict the data analysed, for example to a specific department or site to review activity only in that area. Data can also be restricted to a particular login to ensure relevant information is displayed to every user within the business across all reports and dashboards. Restricting data in this way reduces the need to apply filters, so the relevant information is displayed by default. For a higher level view across the entire business, where a manager or MD may need to see a snapshot of all previous features, executive summary can be emailed on a daily, weekly and monthly basis. This gives a concise look at key metrics and, along with other reports, can be automatically sent to any number of recipients. Keep an eye on critical business insights too. See how often customer calls bounce between teams or individuals, causing frustration. Understand how often you interact with your most valuable customers. Check that customers can connect with right teams or individuals easily and efficiently. Review call journeys and the effectiveness of auto attendance and call groups. And gauge the effectiveness of your sales and marketing campaigns. Use call analytics to help your business to meet customer expectations and drive excellence in customer experience.